He said, why vote third party? Aren't you just wasting your vote? How many times have we heard that? And I said, that's a really good question. I said, here's why I think it's important. I said, when you just go in and hold your nose, because that's what they tell you to do. They tell you to go and hold your nose, vote Republican, because if not, then the Democrats going to get in and we can't have Hillary as a president. That would just be terrible. And I said, but when you go and do that, you don't send any message to them. What you send the message to them is that at the end of the day, you will fall in line. At the end of the day, you will do what you're told. You'll vote for who you're told to vote for. You'll do what you're told to do. I said, that's not me. I said, if you sit at home, which 40% of the population does, then everyone just assumes that, oh, you're one of the 40% that doesn't care enough about politics or who isn't engaged, and you are never going to get that vote anyway, and therefore your vote doesn't matter. You don't matter because you didn't take a stand. You didn't take a principled position. I said, when you vote on a third-party ticket, if you cannot bring yourself to vote for one of the primary candidates. And like I said, if you're a Ted Cruz guy and you want to vote Ted Cruz, I mean, that's your business. I'm not here to tell you who to vote for. But if you're looking on the left and on the right and you're saying to yourself, I don't know if I can go in and hold my nose and vote for them, I said, when you vote on a third-party ticket, you get counted. And if you can get enough people to say, enough is enough. I'm tired of you not listening to me. I'm tired of you telling me one thing and then going off to Washington and doing another. I'm sick and tired of seeing my freedom and my liberty slowly eroded from all sides, and I'm not going to take it anymore. And you walk into that ballot box and you vote on a third-party ticket or you vote on an independent ticket. That sends a message. Now, it doesn't mean much if 1% of the population does it, but what if you could get 5% or 8% or 10% to do it? Now you're affecting elections. Now, at the very least, you've got a third-party voice, be it an independent or a libertarian or whatever, standing on the stage. Now we have a three-party system. Maybe some of the Republicans and Democrats might turn around and they might start saying, well, wow, we've got this ever-growing and very angry independent crowd. Maybe we better start modifying some of the things that we're doing. Maybe we better give the people some of what they want. Otherwise, they're going to vote us all out of office. It takes you being willing to say, it's not throwing away my vote to vote on conscience, to vote on principle. The amazing thing about that conversation was he said, dude, I've never thought about it that way. But that makes total sense to me. I'm sick and tired of what's going on, and I want to send a message. This is the one way I can do it.